Okay, so I actually just got some bins here. These are bins I had in my closet, my craft closet. And I separated all the materials that I ordered for each handicraft into a separate bin. So we have the clay work, and I bought this clay for my daughter who is only 3, she can use that, and then this clay is for my 6-year-old who's the Form 1B student. So this bin will also have clay tools as well. And then this is our Raffia Work bin. These are the little raffia strings I bought. I bought 2 packs. And then I have scissors, these little squares for our first project, and there's also needles in here, yeah. So that's also for projects we'll do, and then these little rings. So that's a Raffia Work bin, and that way I can just pull these bins out when it's time to do the handicraft for that day. Okay, and then I'm using this big bin because paper sloyd is another thing we'll be working on, paper modeling. And it has like this big work mat here. We'll also use that for our Raffia Work, and I'm sorry, our clay work. And then I have the paper sloyd by Edna and Rich, and then I have just big like paper 12 by 12 scrapbook paper squares. So that's why this bin is bigger. I've got the ruler here and some scissors and the X-Acto knife here. So I put everything in there. We can just pull that out when it's time for paper sloyd. And then the next thing I have is our Blackboard drawing materials. So the CMEC recommended the Full Touch chalk, so I got 2 of these. And then I have the Blackboard drawing by Swanell, I think is how you say it. So we'll use this as our guide for Blackboard drawing, and then these 2 really big blackboards. So we've got those. And then the last thing under here is just paint, like, you know, acrylic paint. But my last little white bin of materials is our brush drawing bin. So I have this book, the Drawing, Design, and Craft Work. So I'm going to keep that in there. And I marked out some of the things we'll be doing on term 1. I've got some watercolor cards in here. I got these artist trading cards. Just for different projects. These brushes are really handy for dry brushing. Put water in there. These brushes are recommended. And then I just have watercolor paper in here too. So that's our brush drawing bin. Very simple. Our little paint palettes are actually in here. These are our little paint palettes. And this is my nature journaling bin of the stuff that I'm going to put together for our nature journals. So I will share a separate video for that because these are actually our like to-go nature journals. And so we'll put everything that I need in these pouches here. And my daughters can just grab their color pouch and it'll have all the materials they need for nature journaling. So anyway, that's a quick little video just showing you how I organized all the materials for handicrafts and art instruction this year. Hopefully it was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.